Hi, this is Sabyasachi from Kolkata. For the last couple of decades, I had been working with a few MNCs in India and abroad and was taking care of their finance verticals. After I came back from Africa a few months back, I happened to come across a couple of Facebook ads of Mr. Girish C. Samrat, wherein he was talking about some work from home opportunities as an entrepreneur. Being interested and just out of curiosity, I subscribed on a free of cost webinar. I was completely unaware of the sales, advertising, and marketing verticals of organizations, which are an integral part of all successful organizations in the current world of competitions. Girish, as a mentor, has designed a digital advertising agency course with the sole purpose to educate and invite people to achieve success as an entrepreneur in the world of online Facebook advertising. He has not only taken up the job of educating us on an area which is as vast as an ocean, but has meticulously researched on not only the executional part of advertising campaigns, but also on how to make this area sustainable and prosperous in the growth of ancillary businesses like ad agencies. The outcome of such research by Girish is exemplary. Right from the very first communication, he has struck the right chord and successfully explained what vision, mission, and values an entrepreneur of an ad agency should set for themselves, and how one can successfully partner with clients on their growth path. Girish has done a superlative work where he has leveraged his extensive experience on social media advertising by painstakingly designing and explaining each module of the course in a very simple and easy to understand format. Girish has been very cooperative to first timers like me over phone calls, WhatsApp, and emails whenever I was faced with understanding issues. He even goes ahead to offer post training business helps, which is very uncommon, in getting leads of clients for newcomers like me. I sincerely advise all students who aspire to become future social media ad entrepreneurs to subscribe to this course, and I also assure them that investments in time and money will not go waste. Thank you.